How to buy Apple gift card online. Let's get started. Launch your Safari browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in apple.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of interface. Now at the top right, you will find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Apple gift card and search for it. Now scroll down. Go ahead and click on this option of Shop Now. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now click on this option of Buy. Now you have to fill this. How would you like to send it? Now select your Apple gift card design. Now choose an amount. Now you have to fill this. Enter your delivery details. Who is it for? Recipient name, recipient email address. Likewise, who it is from, sender name and sender email address. Likewise, if you want to add a personalized message, you can add it over here. Once you fill all this, click on the option of Add to Bag. Now click on Checkout. Now provide your payment details and complete the process. So this way you can easily buy Apple gift card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.